Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best battery tenders that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Battery Tender 0210123 Battery Tender Junior 12 volts Battery Charger. This is one of the easiest battery chargers to use. It's perfectly suited for charging all 12-volt batteries. This includes lead-acid, flooded, or sealed batteries. It also has reversed hookup protection. This means that the charger checks the connection before delivering power. Another cool feature is the smart microcontroller. The best battery tenders have these microcontrollers, which are used to ensure the correct power is delivered to the battery. The only drawback is the size. This charger isn't suitable for larger batteries, such as an SUV or truck battery. With most mid-sized cars and sedans, it can be used for maintenance, but not for charging. Though, for 12-volt batteries, it is the best combination of value, quality, and ease of use. Moving on at number 4, we have the Extreme Max 1229.4000 Battery Buddy Intelligent 6 volts, 12 volts battery charger. This battery charger is easy to use and works great with 6 volts or 12 volts batteries. It also works with a standard electric outlet and has an 8-foot cord. Other features include a waterproof design and a single LED status indicator. One issue with this battery charger is that it won't charge batteries with a voltage below 3 volts. Also, it appears that some of these chargers die within a few weeks of use. Though, this isn't always the case. Luckily, it is backed by a 1-year warranty. The bottom line is that this battery tender is incredibly affordable and fully capable of charging your 6 volts or 12 volts battery. But, if you want to guarantee the reliability of the charger, then check out the next entry. At number 3, we have the CTEK 56-158 Multi-US 3300 12-volt fully automatic 4-step battery charger. This battery charger and maintainer is easy to operate. It takes care of everything, as it's a fully automatic charger. It comes equipped with a 7-foot cord, clamps, and O-rings. This is designed for 12 volts batteries but is suitable for larger batteries. Honestly, the only disadvantage is the price. This is just as effective as the other battery chargers, but it's available at twice the average price. Depending on the latest sale, you might get a better deal, so it's still worth considering. At number 2, we have the Keyline Charger's KC125MP XP 12 volts 1.25 amp automatic Mini Pro XP. For versatility, ease of use, and efficiency, this is a great battery charger. It includes a complete 5-stage charging program. It also has 3 status LED lights, over-voltage protection, and a waterproof design. And, you get a money-back, satisfaction guarantee, along with a 5-year warranty. This tender has plenty of wonderful features, yet it's not the top option. This is due to a few small disadvantages. The cord is only about 6 feet in length. This isn't a major problem, as you can add an extension cord, but there are battery chargers with long cords. Also, it isn't the most affordable option. Overall, it's a quality charger, but you should still compare it to the other battery chargers. And finally at number 1, we have the Schumacher SE112 SCA fully automatic onboard battery charger. This is a simple battery tender with basic features. It doesn't include multiple charge modes, but it can safely charge your small batteries. As a bonus, it comes equipped with mounting brackets and hardware. This allows you to mount the charger to the wall in your garage. Basically, this is a simple plug-in trickle charger with standard safety features, including the reverse polarity protection. One drawback is that this charge won't maintain your battery. It's just a charger. Also, the charger can be inconsistent with its charging power. Though, for the price, you can't expect too much. If you just need a basic charger and don't want to spend too much, this is a decent choice. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.